Today we're going to be unboxing the LuLaRoe welcome kit. I have already opened my welcome kit, so yours will look a little bit different, but I'm going to show you all the things that will be in your LuLaRoe welcome kit so that you know ahead of time what you do and don't need to order for your pop-up boutiques. The first thing that you'll find in your kit is a product guide. This is a list of all the products carried by LuLaRoe. I like to set these out at my pop-up parties and let people look through them. One item that wasn't included in my welcome kit is on back order, the shopping bags. Those will be arriving to me shortly. Your order will include 100 shopping bags. Another thing included in your welcome package is these different name plaques for the different designs that we carry. There's also information on the back about each different style. I've already opened these because I've already had a pop-up party or two, but you'll receive 10 books about joining the LuLaRoe movement and starting your own business with LuLaRoe. You'll also get a dream book. This tells you a little bit of information about LuLaRoe, what you need to do to get started, the 72-hour game plan, the collection, how to have successful business and leadership principles, tools and resources. You'll also receive a pack of thank you cards to hand out to people such as hostesses or first-time customers. You'll get a pack of informational booklets that give your hostess a little bit of information about what they should do to prepare for their LuLaRoe pop-up party. You'll also receive a pack of invitations that you can give your hostesses to pass out to their guests about their pop-up boutique. You'll get a welcome postcard, a planner that will allow you to plan all of your pop-up boutiques. It comes with stickers, at-a-glance planning, and monthly planning. You'll get a stack of contact information sheets that you can set out at your pop-up boutique. Information about the 72-hour game plan. LuLaRoeShopCustom.com, where you can order business cards. LuLaRoe Expectations, a sizing chart, inserts that you can put in picture frames to display at pop-up parties, and information about convention.